Hello everyone, welcome to PRP Coding YouTube channel. I am Praveen Ravindran Pillai. In this session, I shall explain about Params collection in .NET 9. So let's start. I have created a .NET 8 console application project and it is opened in my VS Code editor. If I click on this project here, you can see that the target framework is set to .NET 8. Now, prior to .NET 9, the params keyword supported only arrays. Params array is a special type of parameter that allow a method to accept a variable number of arguments of the same data type. It is declared using the params keyword followed by the array type. So let's see with an example. For that, I have created a method named print sum of numbers which takes a single parameter of type params integer array. Basically, this prints the sum of numbers passed as inputs to this function. Then I have invoked the method by passing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as arguments. Now, let's see how this params work. Inside the method, the params array is treated as a regular array. We can iterate over it, access its elements, and perform operations on it. When it comes to method invocation, we can pass any number of arguments of the specified data type to the method. Here I have passed 5 numbers. These arguments are automatically collected into an array. Now, let me run this application. So, in the terminal, run the command .NET run. And here you can see that the sum of numbers 15 got printed in the console and everything is working as expected. As I mentioned, prior to .NET 9, params keyword works only with arrays. Let's prove that. For that, let me replace this integer array with an IEnumerable. So let me replace this integer array with IEnumerable int. Immediately, VS Code shows an error. It says that feature params collection is not available in C# 12. Please use language version 13 or greater. .NET 9 extends the params keyword to support a wider range of collections, including those used in collection expressions beyond traditional arrays. So let me go to the project settings and let me change to .NET 9. Okay, let me save and switch to program.cs. And here you can see that the error is gone. Now, let me print the sum of numbers by passing a list of integers. So here I can say print sum of numbers with new list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the same time, let me go and print sum of numbers with an array, or let me say print sum of numbers. And here I'm using a collection expression 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let me go and run this application and test whether everything is working fine. In the terminal window, run the command .NET run. Here I have invoked print sum of numbers method 4 times and the sum of numbers 15 is displayed 4 times. So everything is working as expected. A notable feature of Params collection is their seamless integration with Span and ReadOnlySpan. This enables efficient memory utilization and reduces overhead, contributing to improved performance. So let me replace this IEnumerable with read-only span. Okay, and here you can see that in line number 3 there is no errors, but we have some errors in line number 5 as well as in line number 10. Okay, so if I hover in line number 10, it says that cannot convert from system.collections.generic.list to int. Okay, so in order to avoid this error, what we need to do is like, okay, either we need to pass this data as an array or you need to convert this list to array. And here you can see the error is gone. If I hover in line number 5, the error says that read-only-span does not contain a definition for sum. In order to resolve this error, what we can do is we can convert this number span to array and then call the sum method. A drawback of this approach is the allocation of additional heap memory to compute the sum of numbers. So what we can do is, let me comment this code. Let me create var sum is equal to 0 and loop through the read-only span. Okay, and this is much efficient. Now let me go and run this application and see whether everything is working fine as expected. In the terminal, run the command .NET run. And here you can see that the sum of numbers 15 is printed in the console and everything is working as expected. So the params collections can accelerate your applications even without direct code changes, as the .NET runtime can now employ high performance types like span in more scenarios. The familiar param syntax remains unchanged, offering callers greater flexibility in method invocation while the compiler efficiently selects the appropriate overload. So this is all about params collections in .NET 9. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.